Alan Andrews Take, a scientist turned leading-edge engineer over 40 years ago.
They might think of something as a sculpture or a religious totem, whereas an engineer or scientist would recognize it as a piece of a machine. I just beg the archaeologists, please let engineers, let scientists come in and help you analyze what the function of these devices are.
I then turned to the numerous engineers who were questioning the tools used and the methods. During this new quest, I met Christopher Dunn, an expert engineer in the manufacturing of high-precision machines for military aviation and his stunning study of Luxor's giant statues in Egypt. Puzzling over the 45-feet-tall granite statues, he came up with a technician's point of view.
The Ramses statues at Luxor are incredible in their design, they're incredible in their execution. These are very, very complex shapes, and so we're going to look at just how complex are they.
Surprised by the boggling symmetry of Ramses II's face, he processed to a photogrammetric analysis. In other words, he has duplicated the picture, turned it over and overlaid it with the original to match the left and right sides.
What we see is that this jawline and this jawline are identical. In fact, that is unbelievable. To create the condition where one side matches the other, they had to have had some system of measure to be able to make sure that they were cutting the material properly and they were achieving the geometry that they desired. This is not the result of somebody going at a piece of granite with a chisel and chiseling a face out and saying, okay, that looks like a human face. This kind of condition does not happen by accident. As we see, you can describe a circle that actually conforms to the outline of the face. But now you've got to remember that that circle is in 2D, but the jawline is coming forward in 3D. So it's very complex geometry. And the same on the other side. And now we'll start to look at the other features of the face.